Weather warning here today in the Algarve, guys. It's the 27th of June, it's 3 p.m, it's 34 degrees, and it's predicted to get up to near the 40s in the next few days. So let's check Oura Beach out in Albufeira and see how they're coping with the heat. Let's check it out, guys. We're starting off at Quicker Bar. It's a really nice bar. I'd had a drink in there. Everyone looks like they're either in the water or they're under the shade. Let's drop down onto that beach and see, guys. I didn't think there'd be many people eating in this heat, but Vivaldo's is a great restaurant and there's plenty of people eating. It's a little bit more cool in there. The wine's flowing. It's like a bit of sangria. There's the good guys having water. You okay? You need to keep hydrated in this weather, guys, so every couple of beers have a bit of water. My arms are actually dripping in sweat. I can hardly hold the gimbal. We'll see what this place is like and then we'll drop down onto the beach. A bit of loud music, so I'll have to speak up a bit. Nice little vibe. And check how busy the beach is. There's plenty of people in the water. Let's drop down here, guys. Get past this music if I can. So I don't get a copyright restriction. So there's someone having a Thai massage. Never actually filmed that before, so there's the first. Yeah, so a lot of the people, they are under the shade, and all the others are right in the sea, where it's lovely and cool. There's Border Agua from the river side. And we're going to take a walk along the beach and check out two little beach bars around the other side. That, is it the Mutafort Hotel? Yeah. Whoa. There's plenty of pale people out there today. So word of warning, guys, if you're about to come to Albufeira or anywhere in the Algarve, make sure you bring your factor 50 and your hat, plenty of protection. And if you're in and out of the water, make sure you reapply it. Keep you guys here getting on the pedal boat. Oh, looks like there's a few getting on that. I thought it was only for 2 people. Is it for these for 4 people with the slide on? Oh, that water sounds very tempting. Perhaps I might paddle around the other side of the cage there. Got the Aqua Beach shop in the background. Nice boat out there in the background as well. Yeah, that water on my feet, absolutely beautiful. Nice speedboat out there, wouldn't mind renting that. We'll pop round and check out the first beach bar. There's the MGM in the background there, looks like it's all got its little private beach. It's a nice hotel. Might get to my knees in the water here with a bit of luck. Another little secluded cove, I should say. Can I speak again? It's that hot. I'm going to try and get around this little cove. It's a little bit deep. I've got let's go out in my pocket. Let's see, I think we might be okay. Just about. Not to be quick. Wow, that feels beautiful. I didn't know there's some sneaky coves that you can bypass to get any deeper. I might have to do that on the way back round. Try to reach sharp rocks. And when I come here last time, put my feet on these rocks, you just took the smooth up again. I've got to say, that's lovely. Got my camera a little bit wet. I'll just dry it off before I carry on. Sorry about that, guys, just had a little mishap with my receiver. I don't know whether it's because of the heat or maybe some water got in it from one of them splashes. But we're at the beach cafe, really busy. All the guys there putting plenty of sun cream on. Well done, lads. Restaurant looks pretty busy. This is on our to-do list, this one, guys. Not actually eating in there yet. We've called in and had a drink. Looks nicely air conditioned out as well. We normally have music playing. Fortunately, we've not got it today. This is quite a modern one, this one. You alright, guys? Just get the back in there. Yeah, so this one's you okay? Where you from, guys? Where you from? Right, nice one, guys, yeah? Yeah, what are you football team? What do you mean he's the manager? Your football team?
Is this on TikTok?
YouTube, mate, yeah?
YouTube, yeah.
Alright, mate. Check it out. Alright. Yeah. No, it's because of the curries that I eat.
Where's Sue?
She's back at home, you like, well, I'll tell you what, check the video out and you'll see her, mate, yeah? Check the video out and you'll see her. See you later. She's asking for Sangria Sue there. Right, so you can either go around them caves, but I think it's going to be a bit too deep. I'll just check it first, and if not, we'll go up the footsteps, up the stairs, I should say. So there was some football team from Ireland over here, playing football. I think there's some type of competition on at the moment. That's going to be way too deep to get around there. Let's check it out. No, we're okay here. Just got to go around one more little cove. Now this next bar that we're going to, it's not quite as modern as that, but it's still fantastic. Well out the way, although you're only a stone's throw away from the strip, you think you're in a different country. So you can take the boardwalk to it, which I will be doing on the way back. So I think I've done some damage to my receiver. So hopefully I'm speaking up a little bit louder because I've not got the receiver plugged in. So this restaurant is a Casa Algarve beach bar. And if you want to keep cool, that definitely is one of the ways in that sea. Got a parasailer out there. And we'll pop through here. Oh, nice, these little bays, guys. And there's your little beach bar, Casa Algarve. I could end up having a drink there. That'd be a nice way to end it, wouldn't it? So you can hire sunbeds and umbrellas over there as well. I think I'm gonna grab a drink before I go. That looks pretty good, that. The old parasailing, I've not done that for years. That water is calling, guys, it's that hot. If you are on your way here, or you're actually here now, and you're eating out, with the weather as it is at the moment, you dine much later than you do in the UK. You definitely don't want to be going for your evening meal before 8 o'clock, that's for sure. Well, hope you've enjoyed this walking tour. If you have, hit that like button. If you'd like to see more of our videos, smash that subscribe button, guys. Hope to see you in the next one. Ciao for now.